What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the Sofi stock. We're going to be covering the overall market, and we will also be covering, some other stocks inside of the market. And as I'm filming this video right now, there is like a thunderstorm in Florida, so you might hear a little bit of that in the background. But guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you find any of this information useful. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get this video over 1,000 likes, and don't forget to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. So I haven't filmed a video in about 6 trading days, I believe. And ever since that last video I filmed on Thursday, I believe, last week, the market has been absolutely brutal, just absolutely tanking. We know we have a lot of, roadblocks in our way that are, really having trouble inside of the market. And we got to get by those roadblocks, guys. And I think to get by those roadblocks, it is going to take a lot of time. This is not a SoFi issue, guys. This is a 500,000 other stock issues. Everything has basically the same trading patterns. I mean, I've been watching stocks the past 5 days very, very aggressively, and everything is moving in the exact same algorithm trading patterns. It just doesn't stop, okay? Some stocks with larger floats, their drops won't be as bad. Those stocks with those smaller floats, they lose, bigger percentages a lot faster. And the same thing goes, on the way up. SoFi always continues to lag, when we get those green weeks, those bull market rips and stuff, dead cat bounces, etc. So this has been a major issue inside of the market, guys. There's really nothing you can do but, be patient because, right now is very tough, okay? You got the stock market, 30% correction on the NASDAQ. You have real estate currently at all-time highs with, mortgage rates accelerating with, real estate about to tip over. So it's hard to, get discounts on your real estate when your stock markets are just absolutely tanking. So everything is not good right now. What you want is you want stock market to, accelerate, and have some big profits, take those profits and buy some real estate on the discount, but everything is just not going according to plan. So we have to remain patient because, everything is out of whack right now, and we're going to be covering some of those roadblocks that we have, guys. So I had to take a couple of days off because the market has just been really nasty. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, you can see I filmed my last video on August 25th. A couple of days ago, about 6 trading days, and you can literally see major stock averages slide for third week. NASDAQ posts 6-day losing streak. So literally, guys, I mean, nothing has been happening, anything good the past 6 days, guys. That's why I just took some time off from the market because there's really nothing to, cheer about because it's just nasty headline after headline after headline. You can take a look at the NASDAQ, guys. We just look at the 1-month chart. Grab that little rip we had from August 15th. We are down 11%, guys. So literally in 2 weeks, we already had a 10% correction on the NASDAQ. And if you look at the 1-year chart, the NASDAQ is down, literally 27 to 28%, guys. So almost at a 30% correction still. I believe the lows were about 33%. So this has been pretty, long time, November to September. So about a 10-month correction we're at right now. With midterms coming up, we're going to be talking a year plus most likely because, these midterms are pretty close. Even people trying to play it safe, it's not just these growth stocks that we like to talk about on this channel and my Twitter as well. We have Google, guys, down 25%. We also have Meta, Facebook. This is what, the 5th largest company in the world, 57% correction. We have Amazon, 27% correction. So it's like I've been telling you guys, everything is literally trading in the same algo form. It's just, it doesn't matter what the earnings are. It doesn't matter if there's an earnings pop. Everything will come down after a solid earnings. It just does not matter. That's what I'm not really liking about the market right now because even if you're picking companies that are, killing their earnings like a SoFi, 9 months of straight earnings beats, you're still getting the same exact outcome as stocks absolutely tanking on their earnings, throwing out terrible guidance. that's what's been the biggest frustration, guys. But the good news is, SoFi's earnings are going to continue to get better because they do have their student loan business potentially coming back in 2023. And hopefully after midterms, things could get a little bit calmer, and, SoFi is going to turn more profits on the back end of, 2023. So, like I said, the only thing I think we can do right now is just remain patient and understand it doesn't matter what company you really pick because they are all in the same type of pattern trading right now. Taking a look at the market, we're watching 112 growth stocks. We have BioWorks, Peloton, Tilray, Upstart, Neo, Matterport all getting hammered 4 to 8%. Lemonade, PaySafe, Open Door 4%, guys. I mean, it just has not stopped. Meta 3%, Tesla 2%, Teladoc 2%, SoFi 1.8. If we go to the top, we got a little bit of green. Okta, a nice little bounce after a 35% decline. AMC 3% bounce after getting absolutely destroyed the past couple of weeks. I believe AMC is down like $70 all the way to $8, so that's not really good. A couple of companies 0 to 1% gains, so pretty much nothing good inside of growth stocks right now. So far, I believe the market cap could potentially be under $5 billion at this point. We're trading around 3 times sales maybe for the year, forward sales, 2 times sales. A lot of people question me about, using that as a projection, price to sales. Guys, you got to do that when you're not profitable, when you're investing in growth. So when you're talking about a growth stock growing 50 to 60%, 2 to 3 times sales is absolutely insane. One of the, more uptight analysts, I forgot which one on CNBC, he was talking about SoFi being trading at like 5 times sales when it was like $8. So now we're going back again, back to 3 times sales. So these are absolutely ridiculous. We're below book value. Like I said, this is not a SoFi issue, guys. This is a 500 to 1,000 plus other growth stocks issue, guys. Everything is trading the exact same. It doesn't matter what you do or what your CEO says. Everything is getting computerized trading and dumped, and just more retail is getting flushed out of the market day by day. Guys, I was watching the call options this week. We could see call options were up to 86,000. I literally watched these go from, like, I believe I was watching the 650 calls go from 4 cents Tuesday to 3 cents to 2 cents to 1 cent, and then of course 0. So everything expired worthless because, we went under $6. Everything just got completely evaporated. So these calls are just, somebody's just, selling these options and burning up these, call options every week. This has been happening for literally a year, guys. I mean, call options short term are just getting absolutely destroyed. Of course, you can make a little bit of profit if you sell a small rip, for a nice little 20-40% gain. But if people are trying to hold to, break even or something like that, they just get evaporated every single trading day that the market opens. They go from 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 cent. So the call options, I mean, they still look really low to me, guys. 30,000, 17,000, 15,000, 4,000. I mean, we get by this 100,000. The call options still look extremely low. I just think they're trying to wipe out everything at this point. I mean, we were literally trading at $8, 3 weeks ago after our earnings, and boom, 30% drop. So guys, we have another huge issue, guys. Mortgage rates. Holy crap. Look at the national average. We are talking 6%. Remember, during the COVID, when they cut interest rates, we were talking 2%. So interest rates have literally tripled. And the thing is, the housing market is so strange right now. Okay, you can drop a comment if you're, an expert in the housing market, but I've been watching it. It's still extremely, extremely high. Even with these mortgage rates absolutely exploding, the prices are still holding up extremely well. I have seen a little bit of a pullback in Florida, maybe 3 to 5%, but guys, nothing drastic. No 15, 20, 25% correction of what you would expect with mortgage rates these high. So the buying is stopping, the selling is, slowing down as well, but nothing's happening. So I do think it will happen. Maybe in 2023, there will just be, it'll just start tanking because no one's buying or selling. Building is slowing down. It's just, right now, it's just hovering right there at that top, guys. But I think there's going to be huge discounts. I think the market could come back the mortgage market or the real estate market, 15 to 20% is a possibility with, these rates potentially even going higher. But I'm going to show you guys some data I'm seeing from where I live. Take a look, guys. This is Tampa, and look at this. Take a look at this. Homes sold above the listing price. You can see it was peaking in April at 60%. May, it came down to 55. June, 52. July, it's at 40%. So you can see homes are not going above that, listing price as much as they were. That just came down from 60% to 40%. So before you know it, you might be getting people not even bidding at the listing price, if buying slows down because mortgage rates are just so darn high. But it is very strange to me that the overall pricing of the market has not came down like the stock market. So what you really want to see, guys, if you're trying to make some big money, you want to see your stock market portfolio skyrocket. Take some of those profits and buy some real estate on the discount. Put 20, 30K down, try and get in a home for 5% down. But the problem is, your stock markets are so low, your real estate market is so high, your mortgage rates are skyrocketing. It just, nothing's adding up at all right now from what you would want to see. So this is a rough market we're in. And guys, I'm getting hammered. I want to buy some real estate. I want to profit on my stocks. But right now, the move is don't do nothing and, average down when you got money in your stocks and stuff. So it's just a strange market, like I've said. I've been looking to buy some real estate, but you think you can buy real estate right now with mortgage rates this high, no discounts on the housing? So it's just tough, guys. It's very, very tough. And here are our problems, that's been happening. We got the midterm elections coming up. You got 8% inflation, geopolitical conflict, the Russia-Ukraine war. What's that been going on? 6 months. We're just funding that war. Mortgage rates 6 to 7%, guys. I mean, it's just a tough time we're getting in. All I can really think of, to get by this, I mean, I could just say, look forward 6 months, 9 months, take a 6 to 9 month break, and maybe some stuff will clear up. I mean, I literally think that's how long it's going to take. We got to get by these midterms, 6 months. Inflation needs to come back down to 3-4%. Let's give that 6 months. Maybe the Russia-Ukraine war will be over 6 to 9 months. Mortgage rates might reverse a little bit. Who knows? So I just think 6 to 9 months is the key right now, and that's some pain. So don't try to watch the market day by day very aggressively, because we're not getting the outcome we want in the short term. As we can see, it's just your Nasdaq's down 30%. I mean, it's just very, very tough times, and I'm starting to get frustrated because I've been holding SoFi stock for like a year and a half, and you got nothing. Long-term holdings not really working. Even people saying, oh, we got to hold 5 to 10 years. I mean, I just knocked out almost 2 years, and you're just losing money. So it sucks, but time will tell. Like I said, this is not a SoFi issue, guys. If we look at the 1 month chart on Upstart, you can see Upstart is down 32% in the last month, okay? If we take a look at Square, grab the peak, guys. I mean, Square is down 25% as well, so it's just everything. SoFi, if we take the peak from SoFi, we are down 30%. We take the peak at Coinbase. Coinbase is down 33%. If we take the peak at Lending Club is down 19%. So guys, as you can see, this is not anything correlated to SoFi. Everything is absolutely tanking. It's just algo trading. Everything gets dumped at the exact same time. This is a very frustrating market. Even your top 5 mega caps in the world will not do you any good. Those are all down 20, 30, 50% as well. So this is a tough time, guys. All you can do is do nothing or remain patient or average down when you get the chance. So it's been a very tough time. As you can see, the reason why I took a little bit of break from the YouTube, I'm not a, financial education Jeremy, where I say, short the market, sell everything, load everything, buy everything, dumping everything, selling. I mean, that guy, that's just, bad on his viewers, I believe. Just changing your mind, changing up your title every day. It's just a waste of time. Nobody gets anything out of it. And, I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do that, like Meet Kevin, and look at him. He's exhausted now from just flip-flopping every single day because, people aren't going to, want to hear that stuff. So it's just a waste of time. those type of clickbaits, guys. And I'm just telling you the truth. You know, this market does truly suck. And, you know, the only thing you can do is be patient and, you know, average down when you can. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. I hope you have a great day.